pleasant and meaningful United Nations Day to all. Today, we joined people around the world in celebrating United Nations Day, a special occasion that reminds us of the importance of peace, unity, and cooperation among nations.
I wanna play my part, I wanna give my heart, I wanna go with you, we're gonna catch fire.
It reminds us that even though we come from different places, speak different languages, and wear different colors, we are all connected by one purpose.
We've come so far, this is what we waited for. This is what we waited for. This is what we waited for. The sun comes up, we're rising up. A new day comes for everyone. We see the stars, we come so far. This is what we waited for.
To our dear students, nandyan pa ba kayo? Palakpak naman! Thank you for your enthusiasm, energy, and effort in showcasing the beauty of nations around the world. You truly made this celebration vibrant and memorable.
Ooh, ooh.